Hi, I'm Phil Warga with Salem Design and Manufacturing in Salem, Ohio. We just want to make a short video on what we call our universal testing system. It's used for brake rotors, fuel injector parts, artillery shells. We've used it for a lot of applications. It's generally good for if you want to use eddy current to inspect a part with a lot of geometric configurations, such as these front wheel bearing spindles. This manufacturer makes these, and obviously they want to inspect all this area to make sure there's no flaws. So we're going to run a simple video. I'm going to power up the system and show you how it works. So our light comes on, it's gone through a power up system. Initially we have to verify the machine with the master. Master has EDM notches in it. This program verifies that the instrument is seeing the correct signal on each of those notches. So you'll see the signals on the instrument here as we go through the part. We've broken the part up into 9 zones on this part. So a message come up that the part was failed, which is normal because it has failed. So once the mastering is done, I'm going to go to the reject screen. It shows me that it found the flaw in every zone. When I go back to auto screen, every zone is red, and here it says the master has passed. So once this is done, we simply start cycle. It says it's waiting on parts. My assistant can feed a part in. For this video, we've programmed the machine to pick it up and set it back down at the load point just so it'll run in a continuous loop. So I'm going to back out of the picture and just let the system run. Maybe we can zoom in on the scanning.